There are two wires here because I'm running off the back battery. It has 18 volts and 12 volts. 12 volts for the lights and 18 volts for the motors. So positive goes directly into the receiver. Negative off of this battery turns into positive on this battery. Negative on this battery terminal comes back, and that's the blue wire. So this white wire is negative, turns into the red wire, comes back through the black wire, turns into the blue wire, and you can see the blue wire turns into the black wire right here and goes directly in. So that's 18 volts. With this controller unit here, I found that it runs better on 18 volts than 24 volts when off-road, because keeping the resistance the same, which is the wire gauge that we're using, increasing the voltage increases the amperage, and it will shut off if you're using the low speed setting. It's just too many amps, and it's got an auto trip on it. So 18 volts if you're going off-road, 24 volts if you're going to go pavement only. It'll work low and high speeds. That's the wiring of the controller unit. I'll go into the wiring of the 12 volt now. Wiring of the 12 volts really simple. It's just positive and negative. So comes positive into the fuse, runs to the light switch, the main light switch, which is wired into the light bar switch. And those switches are connected to the lights on the front and on the back and on the side. And then the negative just returns back here into the negative. So that's that black wire right here for 12 volt.